Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? I want to believe you are doing well. We've had an amazing weekend so far. Bitcoin went right up to almost $126,000. What could be the next target for Bitcoin? Can we see Bitcoin go right up to $148,000? Is it going to mean the beginning of the alt season? I want to discuss all of this today, so I'm just going to wait for you guys to join. If you are joining, smash the like button, thumbs up, you know, share with someone else out there. There's always good things when you share. It's always good things or good things happens when you share. Yeah, um, I'm really excited because I called for Bitcoin going to 120K when everyone was like convinced that we are going down, and now I'm making a new prediction, and I want to explain to you guys why I'm saying so. And there's going to be contingency for this prediction to take place or to be in effect, right? I'm not going to just say Bitcoin is not go to this without showing you guys or without saying to you guys what you need to see before you confirm that Bitcoin is going to go there. Now, what I want to establish today is this move that took us to about $125,000 took place or happened during the weekend. So very soon the market is going to open. The ASI market is going to open, and we're going to see liquidity pour in the market. Um, there's high chances that they're going to dump the market somehow. So I'll be looking at key levels here. I think they might dump it to right down to about $119,000, right? So if they dump it to $119,000, it's gonna be a good thing. So in between, let me say half of this move. But there's something I'm looking at on the chart which I think it has to play out before I confirm that we are going to continue to the upside. This might be the last move, that took us to the downside. So we need to see a lot happen first. Um, this week, this coming week, from tomorrow, when the Asia market open, we want to see, like, sit back and see what Asia will do, but at the same time, cash out some profit from your altcoins that you are already in. Take out some profit. If see you are dealing with these altcoins long term, but then fine. You just have to look at what altcoins are there currently, and then you are okay how far these altcoins have gone. Then you look at some TA, right? Look at these altcoins on the weekly time frame. Look at the altcoins on the daily time frame and on the 4 hours time frame. Make sure they are above the 50-day moving average. If they are not above the 50-day moving average, then it's not good thing. Like, it's not good for that altcoin. Good evening, Joyce Wall. Good evening. I can see you. Where are you watching from? Do you have any question, any coin that you want to look at, you want me to talk about? I can, talk about it for you. But you are welcome to my live. I appreciate you. Um, Today, I'm just having a conversation on the future of Bitcoin, crypto, all season, all of this good stuff that every investor or trader wants to know. I'm just having this conversation for anyone out there who is interested, right? Who you want to make money, right? You are on the right platform to make money. So, Bitcoin, Bitcoin is the big daddy, right? The big daddy, when you're the big daddy, you create room for small daddies to come on board or small mommies to come on board. Now, there's some coins that have been doing well, BNB, Ethereum, Solana. These coins still have a long way to go, and some other altcoins they still have a long way to go. And most of us are calling for all season, right? Now, all season has come, or it was already there when Bitcoin was pumping. You saw how Bitcoin pumped with so many altcoins. If you go to crypto bubbles and you look at the year till date, you see altcoins that have done 10,000%, 5,000%, you know, and you're asking yourself, well, why is my altcoin still dumping? Why is my altcoin not doing well? The answer is you are holding the wrong coin, you are holding the wrong narrative. Okay, now I'm going to explain to you why you are holding the wrong coin and you are holding the wrong narrative. Back then, when crypto was, pumping, what they call the all season, there was money in the system. Like money was flowing around, right? But if you look at this current state, if you look at the current state of the economy, money is not flowing around. Interest rate is too high all over the world, US, China, name it. The interest rate is too high. Now, if money is not flowing as before to the hands of retail investor, who do you think money is flowing in right now? Of course, the institutions, they are the ones that are buying. Now, if you are an institution and you want to buy something, what will you buy? You're gonna buy anything? No, you won't buy anything. You buy specific coins that are gonna match your investment style or the way you invest in general. That's why you see particular coins doing well. Okay, and these coins are doing well because they have a good narrative and they have a good utility. They are solving a real problem and they are coming at a time where when people need them. Like look at Aster. Aster came at a time that people need Aster. Look at many other coins out there. They came at a time that people need them. So if you really want to invest, I can teach you. Trust me, I can teach you how to spot the right coins, how to be in the right coins. Because there's no need, like the end point for us to invest in general or to trade is to make money, right? So there's no need for you to tie yourself in one coin, saying to yourself, it's not poor, it's not do well. No, you have to make sure you see return of your investment, right? And you need to make sure you are buying the right stuff. So buying the right stuff at times means that you come out from your comfort zone for what you know is like, okay, this is what I think is right. You come out from it, look at it in a different lens, asking yourself, is this actually, you cannot hear me properly? Is it okay now? Can you hear me now? Is it okay now? Let me see. Is my voice okay now? Can you hear me one on one now? Can you hear me one on one now? I can hear myself. I can hear myself. I think I can hear myself properly. Maybe your I don't know. So check your settings and see whether your speaker is okay. Or I can hear myself properly right now, or maybe my voice is. So if you can hear me, just let me know that you can hear me properly. So as I was saying, if you want to buy something, you have to make sure you're buying the right stuff. Don't buy because you want to buy. Okay, look at the market currently for the past 24 hours. Look at the coins that have been doing well alongside Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin has pumped, make this huge wave. If you look at the coins that move alongside Bitcoin, you will be shocked to see that these coins are coins that have been doing well in the past, right? Because say, how can I get 99% in exam without study? Please help me. um, I've heard so much about WikiCat. Okay, now One thing I like, this is one of the reasons why I'm making this video, because I want you guys to understand certain things. Okay. But before I even go there, well, let me just use WikiCat as an example for this, because I think most people, like, you need to be, it's like you need to open your head and plug in something inside for you to take things serious, right? Because um most of the times you keep calling certain coins to me. Let me just go to WikiCat immediately. Then it's a meme coin, no doubt, but I wanna see something. Yeah. Now, okay, I will say that if I look at WikiCat, you know, the data I'm seeing right now for WikiCat doesn't make this coin anything. Okay, it is among the top 300 coins or 400 coins in the space, but it's not listed. It's listed only on Mexic Gate.io. It's not listed on major exchange that can drive volume to the coin. Okay, now if I scroll like to look at the volume and the coin market cap, it's a good cap at 100 million. You know, WikiCat, it's at 100 million. Now, how do you go about investing in such a coin? You put everything there? No, no. You can allocate at least, if you have to put something, you can allocate at least, if you like, okay, this is my killer coin, right? Allocate at least 30% of your portfolio into this. Yes, not everything you got. So if you want to take advantage, if I look at a chart right now of WikiCat, you know, on a daily time frame, I will say that the chart looks somehow okay, looks okay, but at the same time, you know, who are buying it? If you look at the price action for the past how many weeks, right? Who are those buying it? That's a good question. So if you know who are buying it, it will help you to know who are going to sell it afterwards. And when they buy it, you don't know when to sell it when they buy it. So when you are investing in a coin like this with low liquidity, you ought to understand when you're getting out from that coin. Don't expect the bull run to come and like get you out of it like that, because the bull run right now is going to be for those coins that have real utilities or coins that have real community. Those of you who are joining right now, you're welcome. I can see We Freak. You're welcome. I can see Ebon Wong, you're welcome. Like, I appreciate all of you joining right now. And if you have any coin, any doubt, anything about crypto, the alt season, I'm here to talk about that today. The alt season, like, I want to go to crypto bubbles right now. You know, I want to see what WikiCat have done for the year. It's very important. It's very important you know what. Okay, so if I'm looking now at WikiCat. This coin has done 2,000, almost 2,500%. So it has moved 25x alone this year. Now, for a month, it is up to 14%. So this coin is an ATM. When the Bitcoin is doing well like today, this coin will pump, right? So if you want to look at an ATM coin to catch out profit, like a meme coin, like when meme coins start pumping, you are buying WikiCat because WikiCat is not pump. But the question is, can you make money by holding WikiCat? That's what I cannot answer, because there's no guarantee that when it pumps, you not dump. You not keep pumping, right? Because it has already happened. It is moved 2,500%. So who are those who are behind it? Are they building utility around it? What is the community doing? Now, all these questions I'm asking, I don't know. Maybe you know. Go deeper and find out. How are they engaging in the community? Who are they building? Are they building utility around the meme coin? Is the community so solid? I mean, You have to ask yourself this question. If you look at meme coins with solid community like Bread Coin, Bread and Mock Coin, I invest in Bread Coin and Mock Coin, but I don't hold them like I'm gonna no. I take advantage of it. When I see Bitcoin pump, I know liquidity is coming in the market. I buy those coins that have proven to move alongside or after Bitcoin has moved. That's how you print money in the crypto space, like that, ATM, like that. I'm going to guarantee you that after tomorrow, like today, we're going to see some sort of pullback because Bitcoin has done this move for the past 7 days, 14%, right? It, it went almost right up to about 125, $26,000. All coins, meme coins, AI coins, they're going to pump. Now, how to know the coins to pump is this. Look at the previous data. Go and compare Bitcoin pairs with those coins. See whether these coins pump before when Bitcoin pump or after Bitcoin pump. I mean, guys, it is clear. You can see, look, see everything I'm telling you is on the chart. You see it point blank, crystal clear. You see it. Now, when Bitcoin was pumping, let me name you guys some the meme coin that was pumping. Floki, pump. You know, maybe those coins pump a little bit. Um, um, which Mock coin pump, Bread coin pump, right? We saw also some other coins like I think Pepe did something good, right? Bonk did something good. Now you're asking yourself, why are those coins doing something great? It's because of liquidity. It's because of liquidity. You know, um, who is saying that? Why is this guy spamming me? Wait, please help me. Uh, please help me. Where is it go? Why is this guy spamming my stream? So that's just how you go about all of this. Um, that's just how you go about all of this. If say you really want to, make money from the market, this is gonna be how you go about it. So wiki card, okay, but at the same time, you have to know when to get out from it. Okay, don't just buy and hold like that. You know when to get out from it. No. Um, somebody is spamming my stream. Who's this guy? Um, um, this is not a charity, okay? Mind relaxing. This is not a charity. So if you're here to beg, I'm not a charity. I'm not a DAO or uh, a place to come on. So we are here for business, not if you are very poor, go and work. You have money to buy the internet, and you're poor. you know, go and work money. Go and buy until you have a Bitcoin address. Is that how you go about begging on streams? So that's how you go about stuff, and I really want to be there to guide you guys to be able to do things properly, and I'm gonna be here to guide you guys on that. I think I want to let me see. Um, So guys, if you have any question, make sure you share your questions to me. I'm gonna do my possible best to respond to you guys accordingly. Yep. So I'm just gonna I'm trying to see what's going on in the market currently, and at the same time I want to answer your question to make sure you guys have your question. So if you're joining, just like the stream. I can see you guys are watching. Thumbs up, like the stream, and if you have any question, post your question. I'm gonna do my possible best to respond to you accordingly. You know. I think Bitcoin is gonna be going to like it's gonna drop to $119,000 before anything else is gonna happen. So let's see, guys. Tell me where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Comment below where you are watching from. Where are you watching from, my friends? The Beast Edit. Hey, how are you doing, my friend? How are you doing, my friend? I'm doing good, doing good, doing good. Any question for me today? What are you up to today? Hey, Tefino watching from Yaoundé, Cameroon. That's my guy. What's up? What's up? What's up? Guys, hit the like button real quick. Help the stream. You know, um, I'm from Sweden. I'm streaming from Sweden currently. So where are you from? The Beast Edit. By the way, if you want to be part of my community, there's a link below this video. Go there and join my Telegram community. The link is found below this video. There you're gonna meet other people, and I'm coming up with a free training for those of you who are interested to learn about cryptocurrency. The training is gonna be free, but you're gonna be using BitOnix for that. So if you're interested to learn how to trade, how the crypto market works, then first of all, join my Telegram community. The link is found below this video. Yeah, from there, and make sure you like the stream, so on. But yeah, India. It's like I'm meeting more Indians. Yeah, today. I have my most of my subscribers are from India and US and Nigeria. So, what time is it in India currently? What time is it in India? So just go right now. If you are enjoying the stream, share with any one of the largest Indian group out there. I think I should be yeah. I'm getting more Indians. Like Indians are getting into cryptocurrency like heavily. You know, are there good laws about crypto in India? Like, where do you guys buy coins? Yeah, Indian is a whole like big, 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 big. So just just go somewhere, share to like one of the biggest Indian group. Yeah, so that you can make this Swedish boy big in India. I have been getting a lot of following from India on my shorts, on my videos. If I look at my analytics, it says that most of like I'm seeing Indians are consuming my content a lot. You know, India, US, Nigeria. Yeah, yeah. I don't know why I'm here, but India, America. Yeah, I mean that's what I'm saying. If I get if I get people like I want to go to Mumbai someday. I want to go to Mumbai. Mumbai is sort of my, you know, one. I want to go to Mumbai and see how Mumbai is. But yeah, I have Indian friends. Yeah, no, and I love India. Like one of my best restaurants are Indian restaurants. I love going to Indian restaurants. Oh boy, Indian food. I love it. You know, I love it. I love it. So, are you in cryptocurrency, my friend? Do you do crypto? And how how do you see the market currently? What are your perspective about the market? How do you see the market going moving onward? Like, what do you think? You think the market's gonna keep, you know, moving to the upside or down? So I also want to get your perspective about the market. So I'm just curious how you guys are looking at the market in your own lens. The coins you're buying, are these coins doing well too? You know, so yeah. Um, what coins are popular in India? You know, all the stock markets in the world is manipulative. You know, not only India, in the US, you know, Europe. You know, the government have to manipulate it. Those big guys who have money in it. That's why you see they are so scared of cryptocurrency because it's so difficult to manipulate cryptocurrency except you have like you are kind of like the one with the most liquidity in it. Um, I'm thinking to go and like to launch a coin on Pump Fund this week. So I'm gonna be streaming on Pump Fund. I'm gonna launch my coin. I'm gonna be real, not fake. And yeah, I'm gonna be streaming like every night instead of being streaming on on YouTube alone. I'm gonna stream on Pomfon. I'm gonna be live on YouTube and live on Pomfon. Those who want to trade my coin on YouTube can come to Pomfon and they're gonna see my chart. So I think I'm gonna be streaming every night on Pomfon, at least 2 hours. Yeah. And it's gonna be just pure education, pure analysis and stuff. So so guys, you don't like the stream, at least like the stream, thumbs up. What is you mean marijuana? Marijuana is there's a quantity of marijuana which is legal. Like it's been sold, yeah, like but not like just depend. I don't know more about that because I don't smoke. I don't smoke. Stuff, so I don't know much about marijuana. I've never smoked in my life, you know. So yeah, yeah. So I don't know much about that. Those are topics that I don't have any idea about. Drugs, I don't do drugs. I've never done drugs ever in my life. So yeah. So is it legal in India? Yeah, it's help. I know like many people take it, it helps them a lot. I've heard a lot of nice things about it. I know, but also that it comes with like not everyone can sustain it, not everyone can like so I'm not like saying I'm judging those who take it like but if you're asking a question like that, it means like it's illegal somehow. So in other places, you know, and people abuse it in their own way. So I'm just trying to say to you that I don't smoke at all. So whether it's herb or what, there are many herbs out there that I can smoke, but I don't smoke at all. So I'm the wrong person that you are asking such question, right? If you want to ask me question, if you ask me question regarding other things, not like not like marijuana, like I mean, you have not asked me any question regarding any other thing, you just like, you know, yeah. So I don't know why marijuana. Oh, so there are some coins that have been doing bad recently, like Aster. Guys, by the way, if you want to see, like I share some coins on X, so go on X. The link, my X handle is below this video, at the description of this video. I share some coins that I think are gonna do well, some altcoins. So if are looking for something, most of them already pumped, so just go below this video. You're gonna see those altcoins that you know, yeah, check out if some are still yet about to pump, but just check it out. Maybe you can get luck. Part of them can make you some good gains. you know. So right now I'm looking at Aster. Aster has been dumping, and Aster has this tendency when Bitcoin is doing well. Aster usually dump, and when Bitcoin start doing well, Aster is gonna like start doing well as well. So I'm looking at Aster now, and I think maybe we might see some sort of movement with Aster before anything else. So if you're looking at something like for something to buy now, maybe you can look at Aster. Who knows? It can come from where we are currently, you know. So yeah, just look at Aster and AVNT also. I've been tracking AVNT for some time now. You can look at all of those coins and see if you find something there that can make you some gains. But I'm gonna be keeping my eyes on not only Aster, AVNT, and most of the coins I've shared with you guys on my X. So go to X, the BETONG, you know, it's good, says the BETONG, and you're gonna see most of the coins that I've shared there. You're gonna see most of the coins I've shared there, you know. At least if say you want to take advantage of it, right? Mm. I'm looking now at Bitcoin above price. We have more liquidity above price than below price. So I mean, many people are selling Bitcoin. Yeah, there are a lot of orders above price for Bitcoin. I think we want to see Bitcoin go up a little bit. Yeah, we want to see Bitcoin go up. I'm looking at the chart right now. Yeah, there's a lot of liquidity above price than below price for Bitcoin. So we're gonna see Bitcoin go up somehow. When the market is gonna open, we're gonna see Bitcoin go up before the I see a lot of orders currently above price, you know. And these are people who want to sell their Bitcoin, want to sell their Bitcoin, want to cash out from Bitcoin. So yeah, mm, yeah. If you are watching and you have any question, post your question, and I'm gonna try as hard as possible to respond to you. If you're watching right now and you have any question regarding Bitcoin all season, crypto, just post your question and I'm gonna respond to you. I'm gonna do analysis for you, help you understand what is going on in the market currently. If you want me to do analysis on your coins, I'm gonna do that for you. You know, yeah, I'm just here to answer your questions and then hang out with you guys. Let's see how the market is gonna go or looks like. If you're watching me right now, you have any question, post your question and I'm gonna respond to you. I'm here to talk about Bitcoin. I've already talked a lot about um, what I'm thinking about the future of Bitcoin, what comes next. That Bitcoin might go to $148,000, but it will just go like that. There are key areas that Bitcoin need to, first of all, retest before we can expect Bitcoin to go there. And then all season is already here, and some altcoins are already experiencing the alt season. The question is, why are your altcoins not yet in an alt season? Bitcoin has been pumping for a long time now, and your altcoin is yet to get to the altcoin season. So, yeah, all of this we have to, address it currently. So, if you have any question regarding your altcoin that you are holding, I'm going to respond to you as I mentioned accordingly. Accordingly. Oh boy. If you are watching right now, let me know where you are watching from. And if you have any question regarding Bitcoin cryptocurrency, post your question and I'm gonna do my best to respond to you. If you're watching, just let me know where you're watching from and what question you want to pose. If you're watching, this show is more of like a Q&A session. Have any question regarding crypto, Bitcoin? I'm all ears, listening to you. Yeah. I'm trading, I'm scalping, so I'm looking at the trades. Um, yeah, I'm scalping Aster. If you're watching, let me know where you are watching from. If you have any question regarding altcoins, Bitcoin, you know, anything, post your question. I'm gonna respond to you accordingly. Just let me know where you're watching from, what you expect, and I've introduced the show already. I mentioned about Bitcoin, altcoins, alt season. So if you're interested in all of that, then you are the right spot. Okay. So just make sure you post your questions. Yeah, like when it comes to Bitcoin, I think we still have some upside for Bitcoin before we see dump. I'm expecting Bitcoin to go back to at least $124,000 before we expect any dump. So that's what I'm looking at currently for Bitcoin. If you're watching, guys, and you have any question, post your question, and I'm gonna respond to you accordingly. I'm all ears. If you have questions regarding Bitcoin, rest of the market, or coins, yeah, do post your questions, and I'm gonna respond to you. Like I mentioned, if you want to know where Bitcoin is going, we can, analyze Bitcoin and see where Bitcoin is going. So there's a lot of stuff that we can do on this live stream together. Yeah, just make sure you have your questions to ask, and it should be in a line to to this video. Yeah, I do this often, every week, question and answer, Bitcoin, altcoins, and yeah, so on. If you're watching, let me know where you're watching from. If you have any question, ask your question. I'm gonna answer. I'm gonna respond to you accordingly. Yeah, if you're watching, let me know where you're watching from. If you have any question, what Bitcoin, altcoins, new coins, ask your question. I'm just working on my chart, trading, looking at opportunities. At the same time, I'm live answering questions. So that's what I'm doing. If you are joining and you want to know more about Aster, Avantis Crypto, Bitcoin all season, I'm listening to your questions. If you're watching, let me know where you're watching from. If you have any question regarding altcoins like Aster, Avantis, Ethereum, Solana, meme coins, I've made some predictions already about where Bitcoin is going to. And if you are interested to know more about that, then post your question. This is just a session to answer your question and then look at some possible opportunities in the market. If you are looking for something to trade, let me know. I can give you something to trade right now. Yeah. Andrian, baby Manu, baby Manu to the moon, boss. Is there a coin called baby Manu? Oh boy. Is there any coin called baby Manu? Let me check on let me check on the screen now. There's baby Manu. Manu, yeah. Baby Manu. Baby Manu. I'm going to launch the BETONG crypto coin now on PalmFund. So if you want to actually enjoy that, go to PalmFund right now and wait for it. Anyways, I'm gonna drop the contract address to my Telegram community, and this is a real coin, not fake, you know. So yeah, let's get there.